Today I'm gonna try this Korean Chinese instant noodles kimchi flavor. So I have kept my water to boil. Yeah, there you go. So it says 3 minutes, or you can microwave as well. Okay, see how does this. It says 3 minutes ready. I hope this will be tasty. So my water is boiling. I'm gonna open this kimchi. Okay. I usually like Korean noodles because it has this spiciness and plus really yummy. Okay. Then fish in Korean, Vietnam choice, Japanese choice, microwave safe. So I got this from Dubai actually. Okay, inside you have a fork. Oh, that's cute. And you have a sachet of flavor. Probably. Does it mention what is the flavor actually? No mind. Probably chicken. So I'm gonna add the water now to the level which they have shown, and the sachet. Cut the sachet, and there you go. Smell like no. Yum 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 yum. Dum 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 dum. Yum dum yum dum yum dum yum. Okay, this. It's time to keep for 3 minutes now. So top it up with a. There you go. So 3 minutes, guys. Okay, let's see. It's been more than 3 minutes actually. Whoa. Yeah, that's good. There is a little bit of soup. Good. That's good noodle. Let me try. Oh, it's hot. That's good. It's not that spicy. It has a light sour taste, and though it's 5 minutes, the noodle is really not soggy. It's really slippery and it's yummy, you know. I like the noodles when it has this soup. Let me taste the soup as well. Okay. Yummy. Well, kimchi flavor instant noodles, yes, you're yummy. So guys, let's see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, good night, have a good night, sweet dream. Don't let the bed bugs bite.